second legend joined Barcelona in 2004 and played there for 3 years, making 71 total appearances, and was a member of 2 La Liga championship teams from 2004 to 06. The right back scored 1 goal during his Barcelona career, and he made it count. It was the game winner in the 2006 UEFA Champions League final, the second goal in a 2-1 victory against Arsenal to claim the Champions League crown. He went on to play for Chelsea from 2007 to 2010, scoring 5 goals in 94 appearances. During his tenure with the Blues, he won a Premier League title, 2 FA Cups. He was a fan favorite for his work rate and propensity to score from distance. This Brazilian international, I heard someone say it earlier, was a member of the 2002 World Cup Championship team. Please welcome our second legend, Mr. Juliano Valenti. Now, while we've got these guys up here on stage, we're gonna ask them a couple questions before we'll get to the pictures. But we want to hear from these guys. And first, I was just talking to them upstairs, and these guys have played against each other before. I'll let Dwight, you start this story. Tell me about when you guys played.
Well, he was still at Chelsea and I was still at United. Obviously, I admire him for a player, his work rate, his fantastic ability on football as well. And of course, to win the World Cup with Brazil in 2002, that is just the ultimate in all sports. So I'm envy that, but despite that, love the challenge, playing against a great right back and then a great friend as well now.
Dwight, you're a forward, you got a right back. Do you remember going against him at all? Were there any rough tackles? Did you get a card or what?
A lot of respect to it. Yeah, definitely, yes. Great player. Always in Manchester United, we have a players who play with good character and ability as well, powerful. So a lot of respect always.
Now, both of you have such decorated careers, both at the club level and internationally. But what was your favorite, your greatest game, your greatest moment as a football player? I know that's tough because there's so many to choose from. Give me 1 or 2 if you guys stretch.
Well, the Champions League final 2006, when I scored the winning goal, was a fantastic moment in my life, my personal life and professional life. And of course, the semi-final in the World Cup 2002, Brazil against Turkish, when we won 1-0, and after this, we won the World Cup.
Dwight, same question for you. Your greatest moment or greatest game when you're playing for you?
Not quite as decorated for me as when the World Cup, because that's the one trophy I obviously envy. But the treble-winning year, my first year joining Manchester United, to win the Premier League and to win the FA Cup. But of course, to actually top that off and win in Barcelona, when we played Barcelona against Bayern Munich, to complete the historical moment in our club history, to be part of that, that has to go down as one of the greatest. And of course, representing Trinidad and Tobago in the World Cup in 2006. We are the smallest nation to ever achieve that. And being captain of that was also a good stage in my career as well.
We're all excited for this match tomorrow. It starts at 1. Really the marquee game of the International Champions Cup between these 2 esteemed clubs, arguably the 2 top in the world. We're proud of this stadium right here. It's going to be full tomorrow, complete sellout. But I want to hear from you guys. Where's a venue, a stadium where you guys would play in, where you knew, okay, it's going to be rocking, this is what I love to play the most?
For me, the Camp Nou, where it was my house for 3 years, the atmosphere is special, the pitch is perfect. This stadium is fantastic, unbelievable stadium, but the Camp Nou was a home for me in those 3 years.
Dwight, how about yourself?
No, I gotta say I've been very fortunate to play everywhere and around the world in all these fantastic stadiums. But traveling to America here in particular, we absolutely love the fans, the people coming out and supporting the event. This is going to be a fantastic showpiece to the people. We're expecting a sellout crowd around 75,000 people. So there again, we want people to come out and see 2 great teams go at it. It's a very crucial stage in our preparation for the rest of the season. It's the same for Barcelona as well. So we're expecting a very tight, contested game, but also a really entertaining game. Hopefully the fans will get their money's worth and get to see 2 fantastic teams playing against each other with great players in the world. Hopefully Messi will be here as well to showcase that. So, you know, we're all excited about it. Hopefully that everybody will have a wonderful time tomorrow.
And you say that like it's a friendly, but you were just telling me up there, this is no friendly. You want to get this. Your manager used to be over here on this side. You want to get this W tomorrow.
No, absolutely. We are here to win it, and I'm sure Barcelona is one of the great teams that we will here. I'm sure it's the same from Barcelona's side. They want to win it, and as much as it may seem as a friendly to everyone here, but rest assured, both of us has been in that position before. When we cross that white line, we're going to come out victorious. And I'm sure for both teams tomorrow that will be the case. And hopefully that the fans will go away being very happy watching two fantastic teams going at each other.
That's fantastic. We got to hear from you though. As a competitor, it's called a friendly. It doesn't mean anything, right? No league championships, no Champions League title on the line. But once you cross that line, especially against a team like Manchester United, you want to get the win.
Of course, always. Especially with a team like Manchester United. I have a lot of respect in the words about the players, about the philosophy. This is about the match tomorrow. Two teams who play a great football for the people enjoy, especially the philosophy from Barcelona. We changed something around the last years. The people knows about it because the Barca won titles, special titles. But tomorrow it's a friendly game. It's about two good teams, good philosophies, and for sure the people will enjoy.
Hey, ladies and gentlemen, let's hear it for these two legends here.